Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to send a story to a group on Instagram using your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to share your favorite stories with friends or group chats. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your stories seamlessly. Next, navigate to the story you want to share. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or finding the story in your feed. Once you've located it, it's time to grab the link. Now, select the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This is crucial because it allows you to share the exact story you want. Highlight the entire URL and proceed to the next step. After highlighting the link, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Next, look at the left side menu of Instagram and click on Messenger. This will open up your direct messages where you can communicate with your groups. Once you're in Messenger, enter the group you want to send the story to. Click on it to open up the chat window where you can type messages and share links. Finally, in the message box, paste the link you copied earlier. You can do this by right-clicking again and selecting Paste, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. After pasting, hit Send, and voila! Your story link is now shared with your group. This update not only simplifies sharing, but also enhances how we connect with our friends on Instagram. So go ahead and try it out. Sharing stories has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy sharing.